This is a monthly reading for you, Virgo, for the month of August. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance or how's the overall month looking. Wherever needed, I will do a chakra healing and do Reiki distance healing for you. And please note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate as it is with all Virgo, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, what is the area of improvement or focus for you? What is the strength or challenge you can work with? How will be your social interactions or dealings with people? What is it that is unexpected and coming your way? And how's overall the month of August? So, now before I start the reading, I also want to mention that this month I have rolled out a newsletter, tarot newsletter, where I discuss my tarot work and a lot of details, snippets about tarot, and you can have a nice look at it. You can download it from the description box. Also, feel free to circulate it between your friends, give it to your acquaintances, maybe put it in your library, put it on your social handle. I would just love a great circulation for this newsletter. So, it will be coming out every month. So, this is the very first edition, and it's fairly plain and basic. As I keep growing and moving more with the newsletter, you will see more style, more pictures, and a lot of other work happening in the newsletter. So, what is the area of improvement or focus for you? What I'm saying is, Virgo, don't be too strict with people, don't be very particular about how something should be said, and don't cut people off. Here is the energy of a person who's a bit too aloof or is not available, or you cannot be approached that easily. So when I see this guidance, it's telling me, Virgo, you want to be little bit more warm. You want to take that phone call and hear people out. Don't cut them out. Don't tell everybody, I'm too busy, I can't speak to you, I need more me time. I'm just saying, otherwise you're going to be termed as aloof or somebody who's not approachable. You'd want to avoid that energy. Also, I'm seeing a bit of a sharp tongue coming to work. You want to be careful. You don't cut people or slice people with your words. So be careful. And then I get is a King of Swords in the reverse in your strength or challenge. There is a challenge, so you are not just prone to saying something mean and very critical to a person. I'm also seeing is being a little bit abusive. It's like telling people you can't leave early, or first show me whether it is done to my your work is done to my instructions or not. Micromanaging or just fighting over smallest of thing for no rhyme and reason. When this guidance is in the reverse, it's just saying that you're coming across as very abusive or controlling, and you want to manage this energy. You don't want to be in this energy. You want to be a very nice person, more understanding, and very approachable. These are both the energies that need correction. And I'm also seeing is some of you are becoming like your friends. It's like maybe someone who is like this, very sharp with their words, and they slice people up with their words, and you are becoming like that. Or you have somebody who's like this, very controlling, micromanaging, almost to the point of abusive, and you are also becoming like that. So you're picking up influence also. You want to make sure you're not around with a lot of people like that, or you correct people. Just because you see someone very controlling and abusive doesn't make it right, and doesn't make it an inspiration for you to follow. You want to correct people and tell them to be more polite, more gentle. Yeah. Now, how will be your social interactions or dealings with people? There's a lot of love in your heart, Virgo. You give so much to people. It's almost like this lady is just giving away her clothes also. Whatever you want, she will just give it to you, and still she's not done. You see, she's given away so much, and then both her hands are full. And there's so much in this world to be looked after, and she's now caring for the nature, or flora and fauna. And this is a guidance of, you know, almost like being considered as precious. When I see this guidance, it's telling me your social circle sees you as very very precious. You're very precious friend to your people, to your friends or acquaintances, and they cherish your friendship because there's so much you give. You never turn anybody away, and you give even the last piece of clothing on you. It's just so nice, it's like very very humbling, beautiful energy where people know how priceless you are as a friend to them. Now, also I'm seeing here is, there's a conflict. There are people here who are dressed up head to toe, holding swords, and then there is a naked person here. It's quite possible some of you are fighting for a freedom, that you would like to dress in a certain way or you like to go in a party in some way, and then your parents or grown ups in the family who are all, so conservative, they don't approve of your ways or dressing style. It's not like you want to go somewhere naked, but they consider that maybe you want to go naked just because you're so free spirited. So I'm just saying there's a conflict about a certain culture or in your house and how your life is outside. That is what you could be dealing with also, Virgo, in the month of August. Now, what is it that is unexpected and coming your way? Your situation can be very trying. It's almost like, some of you will just die trying a certain situation. Maybe you're trying to hold on to a job, you're trying to make something work, or maybe it's just some product line which you're trying to get created in a certain timeline. So timelines are going to come very very difficult or with lot of stress, and it's going to be very very close. If you are not up to it, looks like you will miss your timeline, and then it will give you a lot of heartache and a headache. So I'm just saying is tough and trying times coming. There will be fair share of stress in terms of meeting deadlines, or just trying to make something work or happen in given lot of time. Also for some of you there is a certain ending that is coming its way. So if you have a conflict and you've got a warning of some sort, looks like there is going to be an ending, and then however the things will fare out. So I'm just seeing is a certain ending of some sort. Also maybe if you've been wanting to break up with your loved one, it will happen. And this is just how the card of death is. It announces a certain ending, and business that will need finishing up will finish. But the beauty is, I see the queen as a in the guidance of overall how your month will be. One, it is a crowning glory. It's a very happy month with a lot of authority, riches, and good life. This queen is very happy, and she has only one word going with her. It is inspiring. She's very very inspiring. She doesn't need to tell people how to do things. People just look at her, or people just get inspired by whatever she's doing. Also, she she tells a larger population to keep your chin up and stay positive. She's holding a sunflower in her hand, and if you have noticed, sunflower is something is a flower which is always facing the sun, which means facing the positivity, the light, believing in hope. And that is what is so inspiring about this queen. So it's a very nice month. A lot of people are going to draw a lot of inspiration from you, and I see you in a position of lot of power. So some of you, if you're expecting a promotion or a win, looks like you will get it. So it's a very beautiful guidance. So just overall looking at how things are, I don't want your situation to be where you're very controlling or you're aloof in some way. I want you to be very social. So I'm going to do a social card in a Reiki distance healing in your solar plexus, and balance the chakras for you. And I will be using a rune stone also for that.